Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
May I inquire whether Aniruddha is doing well? He is the fulfiller of all the desires of the pure devotees and has been considered from yore to be the cause of the Yugveda, the creator of the mind and the fourth plenary expansion of Vishnu. Adi Katobhuja, the original expansions from Baldev, are Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna and Aniruddha. All of them are Vishnu Tattvas, or non-different personalities of Godhead. In the incarnation of Sri Ram, all these different expansions appeared for particular pastimes. Lord Ram is the original Vasudev, and his brothers were Sankarshan, Pradyumna and Aniruddha. Aniruddha is also the cause of Mahavishnu, from whose breathing the Yugveda appeared. All this is nicely explained in the Markandeya Puran. In the incarnation of Lord Krishna, Aniruddha appeared as the son of the Lord. Lord Krishna in Dvaraka is the Vasudeva expansion of the original group. The original Lord Krishna never leaves Golok Vrindavan. All the plenary expansions are one and the same Vishnu Tattva, and there is no difference in their potency.